What's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel, guys. We all know that without money we cannot survive. We cannot live our life fullest. We cannot enjoy our life. Everybody living life, but without money we know, because I think if you are watching me, you are not driving a Mercedes, you are not having big cars or big homes. You are here to learn something, and you are here because you want to make money. In this video, I will share with you how did I start making money, what things that I did, like job, other businesses and all things I'll share with you, first thing. And second thing, I'll share with you in 2025 what is the best skills to earn huge amount of money, not just 30k per month but more than 30k per month easily. Okay, and what is the skills that I am learning and I am thinking that this is the skill that everybody needs to learn. Okay, and third thing, I will share with you how you can practice these skills by living at your home. You don't need to go anywhere. Okay, if you can, that time you should go for it. When we go outside, we go out from our house, we will learn more. We will learn things in a more better way. Okay, we can easily learn by sitting at your home or just living at your home. I learned all these skills by living at my home. Okay, so number one thing, if I tell you about my story, 2019 I was studying for NEET exam, and that time I was thinking that no, studies is not for me, like I want to do something else. And 2019 and I think 2020, okay, 2020, when COVID time came, at that time I started reading books. I started reading Hindi books at that time, and I wanted to learn more things about me. I wanted to be more confident person. I wanted to make more money at that time, make money even, because that time I wasn't earning money. 2020, 2021, 2022, I think almost 3 years I had been continuously learning so many things, reading books, learning how can I make money. I did different bunch of things online, like so many applications are there. We can 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees by doing or sharing those applications. So I did these things. And so if I tell you about my job story, I started doing job in 2022, I could say. 2022 I started doing job. First job was as a telecaller, and then I promoted as a telesales, and then my second job was as a HR intern. So I did that job, and after that I did teaching. Like I did a job as a teacher last year in 2023. So these are my three jobs that I did in my life. And my first salary in my first job was 10,000, and in my second job, when I promoted, that salary was 12,000. And after that, my second job as a HR intern, that time I was paying around 14,000. And after that, as a teacher I was earning around 16,000. And also I was doing some tuition, so I was around like making 18,000. And last year in 2024 I left my old jobs in March. Yeah, and in March, April, May, June, July, like May, for me, like almost 4 months I had been searching new job. For me, and I went for an interview. In that interview I got rejected due to my poor communication in English. And that time, that situation was very hard. I think four girls HR were there and two boys were there. There is a team, six people team were there, and I was sitting in front of them, and I was speaking English because that time I never spoke before. So I was standing in front of them. And I was sharing my experience and whatever they were asking me, and I spoiled that thing because I wasn't a good speaker at that time. So I got rejected, and then I decided to learn this language, my first ever good skill that can pay me money. So in July 2024, I think June 2024, I started learning this language. And also I started my YouTube channel, and at that time I started uploading videos, not for YouTube but for my skill, to practice my skill. Okay, so I was making vlogs. You can also check out on this channel. Okay, so I started making videos at that time, and from there, I think almost after a month, I got my first 1000 subscribers and around 2500 watch hours. and after 3 months I got monetized. And before I got monetized, I got my two clients, not clients, like two people were there, and I started teaching them English, like how to speak English, and they paid me around like 4,000 rupees, like 2,000 per candidate. So I made 4,000, and after that and paid classes was my second thing that I started making money after my job. So I left my old jobs and I started taking sessions, paid sessions, and till now I'm also taking paid sessions, but not nowadays. Second money came from YouTube, so I got monetized, and after that, like in December, I got my first payment, and in January, like now I'm getting payment, and now I'm getting payment from YouTube. So YouTube is my second source of income. First is my paid classes, second source of income YouTube, and nowadays I'm also giving services about thumbnail designing, video editing. So we not video editing but thumbnail designing. I'm making thumbnail for one creator, and also I'm having another, but there is some issue, but I have one creator to make money. This is my story, like how did I make money, and I'm making money, okay, by living at home. I'm not going anywhere, okay. So now this is the time to switch on to skills. 2025 is the best year to restart our life and to start our earning journey. 110%, like guys, everybody, every people, like big people are saying that 2025 is the total count of 9, and 9 is the number of restart or end of all, negative things, all the bad things, like as numerology says. So that is the thing. So I'll give you the three best skills. Number one is learning English. I will share with you my skills which are giving me money, okay. So number one thing, learning English. You should learn English. While you are learning English, you should share your journey, okay. Number one thing, learning English. Second thing, public speaking. Public speaking is the really important. I am not a public speaker, but now I decided to learn this language, and you can join Toastmasters. You can search on the internet Toastmaster International, and you can easily get clubs to practice your public speaking every weekend, I think, not weekend, or every week, okay. Learning English, public speaking, and the third thing is video production. Best thing for best skills for 2025. Video production means you need to learn about how to make videos, you need to learn about how to run a YouTube channel, you need to learn about how to make a good thumbnails, how to edit a good how to edit a video in a good way. So these are the best skills, okay. Three skills in learning English or public speaking. These are the soft skills that will help you to sell your skills, sell your hard skills. And what is your hard skills? You can you are learning, if you are learning video production or video editing, graphic designing, and all these things. So these are the best thing, okay. You can easily work as a freelancer. Now jump on to the third, which is like how you can practice those skills. So for English, so many people are making videos about English. You can check out my playlist, and you can also watch videos on YouTube, because I learned this language by just sitting at my home and learning, through YouTube. YouTube can easily, give you good quality content, because everybody is trying to improve their content, like as me, okay. So you can watch videos first, and after that start making your videos, make your first YouTube channel, and share your journey. When you face camera, you will learn so many things. You will be more confident person. Start acting, guys. Take your first step, okay. The main thing is practice. Without practice, you cannot learn anything, okay. Practice, speaking practice, writing practice, reading practice. Just do these things. These are super important, and throughout the day, like, I don't need to tell you, okay, you know everything. We all know everything, but we are making excuses. Oh, we are making excuses. So just just restart your journey. That's it. This is the thing. I'll meet you in the next video for sure. If you want me to make videos related to your problems, then share with me your problems and what is the thing that you want me to make videos about, and you can watch this video. And this is really good video, guys. And recently I made this video about English, so you should practice your English in this way. So this is my recent video about English. Check it out.